I was 17, just turned 18, just graduated. I had signed up for the delayed entry program in the Army. And then September 11th came around, and my dad had called me up on the phone and he'd asked me, what are you gonna do about it? So I told him on the phone, well, Dad, I made a commitment, I need to follow through with it. So he wasn't real happy about it, but it is what it is, and I left October 16th, 2001. Two things that I can probably take out of my military experience is integrity and just get it done. All right, I think this thing will come out.
You said, you drive 20 miles, get up stupid early, and you hustle to get over here, but you could work somewhere else. So why all the extra work to get your butt over here?
Because this shop's different from everyone else. We stand behind what we do, and we take the customers' personal lives into account. I believe that's the value of this company, and it flows with what I believe in personally. We have some integrity. That's all it is right there, just have integrity. You say you're gonna do something, then do it. And I could do this somewhere closer to home, but I believe in what we do here. And that's what I think the difference is here. Everybody isn't just a number. It's a family that's behind a vehicle. Somebody's relying on us. If I didn't have the kids, I'd be working all the time. 4:30 rolls around, it's time to go. And I know they're fine at home, but I'd rather be there with them.